That's an interesting question. We found that those participants, and of this total sample of 1,500 high school students that we recruited for the study, it was only 39 who reported that they had either engaged in a mutually collaborative conversation with the chatbots or engage with chatbots for emotional social purposes to get advice to cope with negative emotions. And among these 39 individuals, we saw that they were significantly more lonely than their peers, that is, individuals or high school students who did not engage in conversations, interactions with chatbots in a similar sense. We also saw that they feel less social support from their parents, from their friends, or a potential partner.